Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass, clock, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist, day-night rear view mirror. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.